Okay, so to put everybody into a folder, basically what we need to do is we need to name all the groups that we want. So I had to do some trial and error in order to figure this out. So we're going to go with group number 5 here for our trial and error process. Not really trial and error, but for our demonstration here. So what we need to do is we need to name all of the groups that we want in the folder. So we're going to do O5, C, and K days. Then we'll do O5, C, K. Then we'll do O5, C, and K. Now what we want to do is we go to create folder, and we're going to call it O5, C, and K. And then we got to go through here and pick all of the O5, C, and Ks that we want and add them into the folder. Save. And now they're all in there. So it's easy to delete from the folder. It's hard to add them back in. So it's easiest almost if you create a new folder and then add them into the folder versus creating another group and adding that group into the folder, if that makes sense. It makes more sense to create the group, create a new folder, and then add them to the folder. Because if there's an existing folder, I am having trouble figuring out how to put a new group into an existing group into an existing folder. So I'll do that one more time. So basically, we'll do it for number 4. So what we do is 4 is H and V. So we're going to do create group. O4, H and V, A. Create group. O4, H and V, T. Create group. O4, H and V, T. Save. Then we're going to create a folder to put them all into. We're going to call it O4, H and V. Then we're going to select all of the O4, H and V and click save, and then they're all in there. And that is that. So one more time, we'll go ahead and do number 8, create group. That would be O8 is N and R. So we do create group, O8, N and R, A. Okay, we're done. Okay. Make that look pretty. Create group, O8, N and R, B's. Create group, O8, N and R, B's. And then we're going to create a folder to put them all into. O8, N and R. And we're going to select all the O8 and an R. And then they're going to be in there. And that's that. Cool, cool. So those ones are in a folder. And 9 through 13, 1 through 3 aren't in there yet. And that is how we create a folder. Sounds good.